Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I am sharing my after breakfast cleanup with you because the mornings in this kitchen are total chaos. I have my beautiful 2-year-old daughter with me as my little helper today, and I thank you for stopping by for this cleaning motivation video. If you like videos like this, please be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. This is a very typical morning for me. After my kids have been fed their breakfast, I like to put away the dishes that have been drying overnight on my drying rack if I hadn't had the chance to do it the previous night. I always have so much fun trying to fit all of the sippy cup parts together. Here you will notice my daughter trying to help me with the dishes, or hinder me as the case may be. She likes to be with her mommy. And here I am trying to load up all of the breakfast dishes into the dishwasher. My daughter likes to get into the dishwasher, so I try to load as quickly as possible. And she also likes to pull her stool over to the sink, so I need to get those dirty dishes out of the sink quickly. And here she is actually trying to help me a little bit. And here comes the stool. Oh, she's waiting patiently. Oh, now she's not being patient. She decided to go do a lap around our kitchen table and come back. And now she is being rewarded with sink access. Here I'm just rolling up my drying rack so that I can wipe off my counters. This is a Zep all over surface cleaner. This is not what I normally use. However, it was sent to me and I just wanted to give it a try. I really should have cleaned all of the stuff off of my counter before I started spraying, but I wasn't thinking. I try to give everything a good wipe down at least once per day. Usually that is going to be after breakfast, but I do sometimes wipe down after dinner as well. I am working towards becoming a little more proficient at getting my entire area cleaned every single day. This is my journey and it's a process. Now that all of the surfaces have been wiped down, I am just rinsing out the sink before I put everything back on the counter where it was. And here we have the island of death. This is the bane of my existence. It's where all of the clutter ends up, whether I like it or not, and I feel like I am constantly cleaning everything off. This is the pile of mail and school things that I need to go through. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to try to quickly go through things and get rid of the things that I know that can go in recycles and put aside stuff that I really need to look at further. The idea here is just to get rid of what I can quickly. All of the mail has been set aside, and all of the extra papers that we don't want just went into the recycle bin. Now it's time to clean all the stuff off the surface of the island so I can give that a good wipe down. Gotta move that donation box. I try to keep a box in my kitchen. When I come across something that I no longer want and can be donated, I like to put it in that box. As you can see, my 2-year-old daughter is kind of clingy sometimes, and she just wanted to be with her mommy again, so we are going to wipe down this counter together. And I am just putting everything back where it belongs on my island so that I can do my work during the day when my daughter takes her nap.